Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm gonna bring you on a little adventure today. So we are living 30 minutes from Anna Maria Island, and I woke up late. You know, it's my Friday off, so I woke up late accidentally, and now I'm about to head out. So say hello to a little baby. Yes, he just woke up. He's so happy. Yes. What's that? Here we go. I brought 2 drones with me. Just the regular drone to find some sea life. So hopefully we can find some, I don't know, sharks and all that other stuff in the ocean. Even though we have a baby, we tend to take every other Friday, because I have every other Friday off of work, to make those days for ourselves. So like in the morning I'll go somewhere like paddle boarding or something like that, and then in the afternoon she'll go ahead and book her appointments and do her fun things. So I have until like 11:30 to be back here. I just made it to the parking spot, and there's free parking here, but it's very limited. So if you do come here, make sure you come here early. During the week I don't have no problems. During the weekend is where you're gonna have problems. So I'll go ahead and show you my path. And this is the entrance to this this beach access right here. So this is Bean Point. The water is pretty flat, so it's a good day to find some dolphins. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take off. So this is Bean Point. I have an ND filter on there, but not a super bright one or a dark one. It's only ND8, I think, just to get enough glare. I must be looking at, holy cow, 1,000 stingrays. Literally 1,000. No, it's gotta be more than 1,000. Holy crap! I never seen so many stingrays in my life. That boat gonna go right through them? Oh, what an idiot. He definitely sees them. That sucks. That's not cool at all. I am leaving Bean Point now. I got so excited for those stingrays and the shark, and I didn't even film, or I didn't even use the FPV today. I got some cool footage, so that's the main thing. If you like these type of videos, just let me know, and I'll do some more like this. My wife and I live on Tampa Bay area. We're pretty close to like Longboat Key, Anna Maria Beach, and we're really close to Sarasota. If you like these, let me know. Like and subscribe. Have a good day, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. Till next time.